Hey guys, oh my gosh, if I was to tell you what is happening underneath this hair tie, last week I took all my cornrows out because I don't actually know why. I think it's because I had an event and I didn't have any hair installed, so I was like, okay, let me just do a little ponytail. And I did my ponytail and I thought I really liked it. It was really cute. The only problem was afterwards I just had my hair. So I've also had a really busy week, so I haven't necessarily had time to really think about my hair or anything like that. So the fact that I'm getting my hair done today is just great, because tomorrow I have an event. I think Friday I might have to go somewhere. The weekend I'm chilling, but I have a lot of work to do, guys. So I'm really trying to get laid and slayed for this weekend. And this weekend I'm going to be trying out something I've never tried before. The wig that I am going to be installing today is from 𝐻𝐻𝐿. Everybody and their mama knows I love 𝐻𝐻𝐿. 𝐻𝐻𝐿 is top tier, my fave. Such a good company, such good quality, such good hair, such a good service. And this time they sent me over their kinky edges kinky straight wig. I've done their kinky straight hair before. I wore their kinky straight to the Fenty launch and it was like an updo. It was beautiful. And then I never actually tried the edges, so it's supposed to really mimic the edges that we have. I know my hair is kinky coily and that's how it's supposed to look, and I'm excited about that because I really just wanted to look natural. I think I'm just going to keep it at its length. I want it to be long but not too long, not too short, and yeah, I just want it to be nice, you know. So I'm excited. I will let you guys know what the tea is on it, especially once it's in my head. But let me go because I have to go do my hair, my actual real hair first, and then I'm gonna go and install my wig. So let's go. Okay guys, so when we got started, she did want to start off with a new kind of adhesive glue, but I did tell her that I really wanted to keep this install in for more than 4 days, so we ended up just using 𝐻𝐻𝐿 like normal. So we are doing the stocking cap method here. I really wanted to look as natural as possible, and in order for me to get that really natural look, it has to be the stocking cap method. Nothing else will do. Nothing else has ever like touched the stocking cap. So this is the wig. Okay, I want to show it to you guys fresh out. You know, I don't want to comb it. I don't want to do anything. This is how it looked in the box. And I was nervous, and I know you're probably like, wait, how are you even going to slick that down? But girl, it is like this for a reason. I'll show you. You'll see. So we then cut the lace. I did not pluck this hairline off. I kept everything. I wanted to really style it. I wanted to really see how this wig and this wig style goes, and I kept it like that. So we then went in and applied the wig glue, and when we were applying and trying to adhere the wig, we brushed out the hair. Literally, it looks like if I brushed out my hair. I want to show you how the edges looked when we finished brushing them out. So there's no glue or anything. You can see it's a little less coily, but girl, does that not look like my hair? Does that not look like 4C hair? Like, the actual wig itself is kinky straight, so it is a little straighter than it normally would be. As time goes on, as I keep the install in, it will get poofier. And I just think this is so cute. So what we ended up doing is just starting to slick down the hair. You can slick this hair down. My hairstylist did say she wishes it was a little bit longer, but it is slickable. And it literally looks like if you were trying to put baby hairs on your own hairline. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to look like body wave hair. It's not going to look like straight hair. It's going to look like if you were trying to slick down your kinky coily 4C hair. So what we ended up doing with the rest of the hair, just for longevity's sake, is straightening it with the cool setting, and that really did help to make it look a little sleeker. But yeah, so that it could also match, you know, with the fact that we put glue and gel on the edges as well. But girl, this is how it looks, and I'm sorry, but it's eating. That hairline, undetectable, looks just like my natural texture. Guys, that looks like a sew-in. That looks like if I put edges on my hair on the leave out of a sew-in. I will have this linked in my description box, girl. I will have the website linked. I love it.